Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn wrestling alone. Begin by mastering basic stances and footwork, which are crucial for balance and agility. Dedicate at least 50 minutes daily to shadow wrestling, visualizing your moves against an imaginary opponent. Incorporate plyometrics like box jumps and broad jumps to build explosive power for takedowns. Also, strengthen your grip with exercises such as towel pull-ups, performing 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. For effective solo training, a wrestling dummy or heavy bag is invaluable for practicing takedowns and throws. Perform 100 sprawls and 100 penetration steps daily to build muscle memory and speed. Resistance bands can simulate an opponent's pressure during shots and defensive movements. Ensure you have a safe training space, ideally with a 4x4 meter mat area, to prevent injuries and allow full range of motion. Wrestling demands exceptional conditioning. Integrate high-intensity interval training, such as 30-second sprints followed by 30 seconds of rest, for 20 minutes. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges, performed for 3 sets of 12 repetitions, build functional strength. Strengthen your core with planks, holding for 60 seconds and 50 Russian twists daily. Running short, intense sprints will significantly boost your anaerobic capacity, crucial for sustained effort. Beyond physical training, mental preparation is key. Regularly watch professional wrestling matches to study different techniques and strategies. Visualize yourself executing moves perfectly and succeeding in various match scenarios for at least 10 minutes daily. Keep a detailed training journal to record your workouts, track improvements, and set achievable goals. Consistency and patience are paramount. Progress takes time, but dedicated solo practice will yield significant results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.